Namaskar, good evening, good morning, good afternoon and welcome to आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स। आपका आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आप सबको नवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और दशहरा की, दिवाली की हमारी तरफ से सबकी शुभकामनाएं। So today we are going to talk about a very important topic and that is stress urinary incontinence. Now what is stress urinary incontinence? एक्चुअली यूरिनरी इनकॉन्टिनेंस होता क्या है, उसमें क्या होता है, हम यूरिन होल्ड नहीं कर पाते। Now what is stress urinary incontinence? In which basically whenever we do any physical exertion or physical exercise, there is leakage of urine. It can be also cough, it can be also while laughing. So while laughing, coughing, or while exercising, or just by going up and down the stairs, or a sudden jerk which actually allow you not to hold the urine and there is a urine leakage. How many people are suffering from it? Many women are suffering from it post pregnancy. Okay, एक्चुअली जब आप बच्चे की डिलीवरी करते हैं तो पेल्विक फ्लोर मसल्स वीक भी हो जाती हैं और इसकी वजह से बहुत बार लीकेज होती है। तो इस सारी सिचुएशंस में हमें क्या करना चाहिए, विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दैट। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो दिस इज़ हाउ आवर पेल्विस लुक लाइक। ऐसा हमारा पेल्विस दिखता है। तो आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मसल्स हैं, जो लिवेटर एनाई मसल्स। So there are many muscles, basically pelvic floor muscles, just not here, but you need to also strengthen your core, your abdominal muscles and your respiratory muscles to to actually fight from stress incontinence. Okay, so the first thing and the first and foremost very important exercise is Kegels. हमें Kegels exercises regularly करना चाहिए, irrespective of whether we are suffering for incontinence or not. I would highly recommend every woman to do it. What do we do in Kegels? So Kegels first is you have to relax. Okay, you have to completely relax your respiration, relax yourself, relax all the muscles of pelvic floor. So initially you can do this exercise while lying down, but otherwise you can do it in any position. And what you need to do is you need to inspire. Okay, and when you inspire, your stomach will bloat out and pelvic floor muscles are all relaxed. Okay, when you breathe out, okay, your stomach will go in, your hip bone will come together and you will contract the vaginal muscles, you will contract the buttock muscle. It's not that you should hold the urine. You should never hold the urine. Rather, it actually increases the chances of you having a urine infection. तो आपको होल्ड करके नहीं रखना है, बस वो मसल्स जो यूज़ होती हैं जब आप यूरिन करते हैं वो मसल्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है। कब? जब आप सांस बाहर छोड़ रहे हो। जब आप बाहर सांस छोड़ रहे हो तो पेल्विक फ्लोर मसल्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके 10 सेकेंड होल्ड करना है। हमने और भी बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस ऑफ कीगल एक्सरसाइज है जो पोस्टपार्टम एक्सरसाइज में की थी। वी विल पुट दैट लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। So as we told that you can do pelvic floor muscle exercises. So pelvic floor muscle exercises are the exercises around vagina, uterus, urethra. So together we do it. So what you can tell the patient is bend both the legs. दोनों knee को bend कर दें और यहाँ पे relax करें. Okay. Tell the patient to relax first completely. Okay. That there should not be any tension at all. Okay. Start with diaphragmatic breathing. So remember, even if incontinence is just here, you have to develop everything. So you have to develop respiratory muscles, you have to develop abdominal muscles, you have to develop the pelvic floor muscles, you have to develop the core. So everything together only can help you out. Okay. So first we will start with the diaphragmatic breathing. Tell the patient to fill the air. Okay, in the chest. The chest should expand and relax completely. Okay. In this process, tell the patient don't engage the pelvic floor muscle. Just on completely on respiration. Just filling the air in completely, bringing the chest out and taking it down. Okay. That's all. Okay. Once the patient is comfortable without tensing any muscle, just the breathing, then you go to abdominal breathing. Okay, so you fill the air in your abdomen and chest and relax. Okay, You can actually practice it by keeping it something over here, and this will come up automatically and slowly will go down. Okay, again you are telling patient not to tense the pelvic floor muscles, just to completely focus on breathing without any tension. Okay, जब आप अच्छे से सांस अंदर और बाहर ले पा रहे हैं and पूरा body relax है, then we have to start engaging the pelvic floor muscles. So what we will do when we will inhale, we will only engage the muscle of chest and abdominal. Okay, pelvis is completely relaxed. When we exhale, we try to contract the buttock muscles, the vaginal muscles, and relax. Okay, again inhale, expand the chest and abdomen. Exhale, try to contract the buttock muscles and vaginal muscles. Okay, slowly you can increase the hold time. Okay, if you don't hold the breath, just increase the hold time. Okay, slowly. What you can tell patient is when the patient is breathing in, okay, try to fill air into your balloon, that kind of abdominal cavity. Okay, and when you breathe out, you try to bring your hips together. Yes. So this is how you can explain to the patient. I mean, if you are the person who is suffering from this, then this is the method which you can follow for Kegels. There is relax. There is lot of other exercises like elevator exercises, and you can do Kegels with bridging and all. So we will start with bridging exercise. Again, we have done it in many videos. हमने bridging बहुत सारी videos में की है. उसके लिए कुछ नहीं करना है. दोनों पैरों को साथ में रखें, जैसे अभी है वैसे ही रखना है. नी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Knee has to be together. And slowly bring it up. Okay. So when you are bringing it up and you are here, okay, while breathing out, you try to contract the buttock and vaginal muscle. While breathing in, you do, and you can hold this position for some time. If you don't want to do that, bring it down. Okay. While you take it up, you breathe in. Chest expand. While you come down, you breathe out and contract your vaginal and buttock muscles. Yes. So you can do it along with the bridging. Okay. So the Kegels can be done with the bridging. The second exercise which you can do is in crawl position. So let's get to the crawl position. So let's come to the crawl position or a quadripod position. Shoulders and wrist in one single line. Hip and knee in one single line. Make sure your spine is neutral. Okay. So you are not curving the spine. You are not taking it up. It is in neutral position. Okay, completely neutral position. That means आपको गड्ढा नहीं बनाना है अपने पैर में, एकदम neutral position पे रखना है. And then you can actually take alternate hands and leg up. Okay, so breathe in and take the hands and leg up. Try to involve your pelvic floor muscles while breathing out, and hold this position for 5 to 10 counts. Okay. Then you relax and come back, and then do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Okay. So this you can do in the quadripod position. Similarly, we can actually do in standing. Let's start exercises in standing. So next is you have to start doing Kegels in a balancing way. So you start standing in one leg. So try to take one leg up. If you feel imbalance, you can actually hold something. If you don't, you can actually stand there and try practicing Kegels in this position. Okay, again the same technique, just holding it in this position. Try to do it as many times as possible and then bring the leg down और दूसरे पैर को ऊपर ले जाइए. Bring the other leg up. Okay. Try to take it up and do the same thing. and relax. Okay, next is you are trying to take the leg to the side as a sudden jerk, okay, and trying to hold your urine, okay. So telling yourself that you are trying to tighten those muscles and seeing if you can hold urine in any unstable position or sudden change of the direction of the leg, okay. You should only do this when you are confident with the standing on one leg. So next is you have to do some behavioral modification. That means you should know exact activity which can make you leak, okay. For example, if it is jumping jack, okay, so you jump and it leaks, so start doing it with a loop band how she is using, or instead of jumping just take the legs to the side. So just take the legs to the side and start doing like that, okay. So such modification can actually help you and make you not to get leak. So start doing some modification in your activity. So remember that if you are suffering from stress urinary incontinence, it can be treated, okay. First is you should talk to your physiotherapist or your gynecologist about it. Second, start doing Kegels, and just not the pelvic floor muscle exercises. You need to also strengthen your respiratory muscles and abdominal muscles. There are a lot of exercises which we have already demonstrated before for abdominal muscles and respiratory muscles. We will link it in the description box. Also, you can actually start using pessary, which is available in the market, which you actually insert and it actually holds the urine for a certain period of time. If nothing is working, you can also think of going for a surgical procedure. So don't be in shame or not talk to people. You should actually talk to the health professional and get yourself out of it, and so that you can exercise every single day without any problem, okay. So anybody suffering from this, please share this video to them, because this may help many women, okay. Thank you so much from me, Anusha, and witness your fitness with us.